Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for checking in again. Hey, you know, today's market's a little strange. The prices have come up quite a bit. And so people that are looking for a house that's got a view and a pool, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, an apartment, a well, and a big expansive yard with nice shady trees, you usually have to settle for a condo just because, you know, you can't get all that for this kind of money. But today, we're gonna show you a house that checks all the boxes. It's not often a property like this comes along in a great neighborhood with a view and a pool. So I think you're really gonna like it. For anybody out there that was thinking, we're gonna have to get a condo, we just can't do a house, think again. I think we got you covered. Let's go check this place out. Right off the neighborhood road and into the property. Now this driveway comes in this way, curves around the south side, and then comes out down on the east side of the property. So you do have a big circular driveway. Awesome trees. Check out, this is a small leaf bay leaf tree. Man, you take one of these, oh my God, it's so fragrant. Put that in your red sauce, you'll be like loving it. And then here we got some bananas getting ready to come out. There's a hand there that's just coming out now. And then we got a mango tree. We've got a well over here. Not a lot of properties have wells. So if you wanted to do a big garden, you got plenty of space to do raised beds or a little greenhouse, and all the water you could ever want comes out of that little well there. Currently not being utilized, but you could certainly fire it back up easy enough. Here we are looking at the house. We're sort of looking northeast. The pool is here. There's a guest apartment on this side, and then the main house is there. And again, this driveway wraps around to the left, right by that row of neem trees, and then back out to the road where we started the video. But just look at the size of the yard. I mean, if you're having a party or you wanted to put up a volleyball court or whatever, I mean, this thing is huge. Tons of space. Tons of parking. And then you got a 22 kilowatt propane generator right under the pool deck here, so, and lots of storage as well. All right, let's head up the steps and into the house. Check it out. Okay, up at the top of the steps, we land on this beautiful Trex deck. This Trex goes all the way around the pool, all along the house, right under Stephanie's feet, and into this little pool toy storage nook, or a grill spot. That'd be a great place for a grill, actually. And then check out this beautiful fiberglass pool in excellent condition. Coping is all nice. Got a robot at work down there keeping it clean. And then check out the view to the South Shore. You get a really long view of South Shore. Runs all the way down over Great Pond towards the Boy Scout camp. Just an awesome view. And check out all this deck space to work with here. There's the front door to the main house. Got your satellite TV dish up there. Guest house apartment door there. And then here we are looking back at the pool. And then there's a bonus set of stairs that you can come out this gate. So if you're coming home, you're gonna park informally, you can come straight up here, right into the house. And then here is the entrance to the master bedroom. Just a wonderful outdoor space. I mean, look at all this lounge area. You get outdoor speakers. Fantastic. All right, let's go inside the main house and check it out first. All right, right off the pool patio. Here's the dining room. Here's the pass-through to the kitchen, which is a real nice feature if you're having meals there. And then check out those arches that frame out the living room. Beautiful. And then down to the bedrooms this way. We'll go there in a minute. But the size of this living room is awesome. Beautiful tile runs throughout the house, all nice and new and clean. 2-ton AC unit there. Imagine Super Bowl on a big screen or movie night right there. It'd be awesome. And here we are looking back out at the pool patio, through the arches, and then over to the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Epoxy resin countertops. I mean, this stuff is like indestructible. Fantastic, especially you have a lot of, big family and a lot of abuse. These things can take it. All of the doors and cabinetry have the slow closers, which I love. There's no slam in the cabinets. Corner cabinet with a spinner basket there. Lots of storage, double sink. And then check this out. You have your normal faucet, right? And then you've got this purified water faucet. The water coming out of this faucet is ultra purified. In addition to the normal house filters, you've got this system down below, which is making that 100% drinkable. Very nicely laid out, very spacious. This is a 4-person kitchen, easily looking back at the living room and the goings on. Now, there's also a nice feature with these pantry closets on this side of the fridge. These pull out. So if you're doing spices or whatnot, you've got two of these here on the right side and also over on the left side as well. Nice stainless steel fridge, dishwasher. I mean, this kitchen's fully equipped and ready to rock and roll. And then you got additional pantry space with your full-size washer dryer here right off the kitchen. Your electrical panels are here, utility sink, more cabinetry for storage, and then you've got your solar hot water system. I mean, everywhere you turn around, there's another bonus in this house. It's just so well appointed. All right, that's this end of the house. Now let's head over to the bedrooms. But before we do, I just want to show you, it's got an alarm system. So, you know, if you need to activate that, you certainly can do it. And then here you've got an extra storage room with your cistern cover. This is a nice big room. Nice having your cistern cover in a separate room, because if you have to have someone come in and do some maintenance or cleaning, they're not messing up the house at all. They're inside this separate little storage room. But that's a big storage closet. I mean, you could fit a paddleboard in there easily. Okay, that's this side of the house. Now we're gonna head into the master bedrooms and then we'll hit the guest bedrooms next. Here we go. Straight into the master bedroom. Nice big room. Lots of glass, lots of windows to open for breeze. Direct access to the pool, so that morning splash is always tempting you. And then you've got this beautiful South Shore view that runs the whole length of this side of the room. Love it. Big open wide space here, perfect for a workstation or an office desk. If you want to set something up along there, you got outlets and power. That's a no-brainer. And then into the bedroom area itself, you've got a walk-in closet here, more vented windows above, AC if you don't want to go for the breeze, and then the ensuite bath here. Granite vanity, super nice detail on the tile work. Love that. And then a nice glass shower. Notice this fancy schmancy stainless steel shower with multiple jets. Super cool. And then up above, we've got the tongue and groove ceilings. Just a nice detail. Gives it a nice homey feel. And then we'll head back out. Here's your workspace if you wanted it to be. And then immediately to the right, we've got guest bedroom number 1. Again, another big room. Vented windows, AC, the same beautiful tile throughout. And then looking back, the ensuite bath, dual closets, one left, one right. Now this bath services this as an ensuite, but it also doubles as a guest bath. So if you're entertaining, this can be opened up and it'll get you straight back out to the living room, kitchen area. Otherwise, it's an ensuite for this bedroom alone. And then here you've got a beautifully tiled shower. Actually got sort of a tiled tub situation that you could utilize. And again, more of the vented windows for maximum ventilation. Fantastic guest bath. Come back around, there's the storage room into guest bedroom number 2. Another big room, almost really a dual room. This could almost be a mother-in-law's suite. If you want to do that as a closeout and do an outside door, you could make this a little apartment. There's enough room to put a little kitchenette in it. You've got your vanity, you've got your shower, you've got your toilet. I mean, this is a massive, it's almost like a little apartment, really. It just doesn't have the kitchen. Okay, that's the bedrooms. We've seen the kitchen, living room, and dining. Now we're gonna head back out to the pool deck, banker right, and we're gonna go into the guest suite and apartment. Okay, back out onto the pool deck. Take one more look at this beautiful pool and view. Can you imagine it's like dead of winter in the States and you could be swimming in 80-degree water here. It's so awesome. Love the weather on St. Croix. All right, here's the entrance into the apartment. Before we go in, I just want to show you these roll-down shutters. These are storm fabric shutters that come down, they deploy down to these bolts that are sticking out, and they attach there. And you'll notice that every window opening has a set, all the way around the entire house. So easy to prepare for a storm. You don't have to store panels or mess with anything mechanical. They always work, and they're always in place. Step straight into a full kitchen. You got a gas stove, an oven, microwave above, double sink, granite countertops, Beautiful higher, I can never pronounce that brand, refrigerator, all brand new and shiny. And then here we are looking back out to the direct pool access. And off to the left, there's an alarm system here. You can light it up by tapping the screen. Now this system has been designed to be able to be set and disarmed from either side. So there's a panel, as you may remember, in the main house. This panel also is tied into it, but you can set the alarm individually, both units at the same time, and whoever's living on the other side can set theirs or this one as well. So it's a dual system, which is a really unique setup. Tinted glass windows, all crank out style for maximum breeze. And then here we are into the apartment itself with a living room, bedroom and bathroom. More beautiful tongue and groove ceiling. And then here we are sort of in the living area. This is already wired for a television there, so you'd have your couches and your coffee table and whatnot here. Into the bedroom, AC, and a nice big bedroom with lots of glass and windows. There's your ensuite bath, and then you've got these beautiful mahogany doors, these louvered doors with more of the tongue and groove framing it out as your closet. And then we go right into the bathroom itself. All perfect condition, beautifully appointed, nice shower, more of that beautiful trim tile. And like I said, everything is in pristine condition. Just love it. Great apartment. Okay. So that's pretty much the whole shebang. Just waiting for a new buyer. So if you guys are out there looking to move to St. Croix, this is your opportunity to take advantage of it. This is a great spot on, I think, one of the best islands in the Caribbean, St. Croix. Man, our prices could beat any other island. So if you're looking around, you can look long and hard. You're not going to find value like that with a view and a pool and all of this space on any other island except St. Croix. So I hope you come down and check it out. If you live here, let us know. We'd love to show it to you. Here's a Norfolk pine and me saying goodbye from St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Bye-bye, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, please like our videos. Click here to subscribe. Click down here if you want to see more just like it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.